Hello, my name is Diana Salazar. In this video I am going to talk about language lateralized and some exceptions. During this video I am give answer to this question. Lateralized? In which cases can we say that will be an exception? First, we need to know what is lateralization. It's the tendency of some neural function or cognitive process to be more dominant in one hemisphere than the other. The human brain has two different cerebral hemispheres, left hemisphere and right hemisphere. Is language completely lateralized? How both hemispheres have specialization in some areas. For example, in the left hemisphere we have logic, language, ingredient, and number skills. And in the right hemisphere we have creativity, imagination, art awareness, and tone of voice. Both sides of the brain work together, connected by corpus callosum. For example, in the left hemisphere you have the aspect of gradient, or how the function of gradient. And in the right hemisphere we have creativity and imagination. For example, if you can write something amazing, a sentence, you need to use creativity and imagination. In this case, the both hemispheres, the left and the right, work together. Some exceptions of the language lateralized. Language, broadcast area, and wordless area are linked by a white matter fiber tract, the arcuate fasciculus. This axonal tract allows the neurons in the two areas to work together in creating vocal language. The left hemisphere is dominant in certain aspects of language and speech processing. For example, we have in the left hemisphere the language function, but you need to use also in the right hemisphere the tone of voice to transmit an idea. Also use the creativity and the imagination. Also, we have understanding what's seen here. Understanding what's seen here, recognizing faces, and artistic ability are controlled by both hemispheres. However, the right hemisphere may be more dominant than the left and work harder at this task. For example, in artistic ability, you need to have creativity and imagination. And when a person says dog, you imagine an animal. And if you want the complete idea that you have of these animals, you need to use your creativity and imagination. And you need to draw this animal. I don't know if you draw a black mold, it depends on the person. But both hemispheres work together to make this activity or make this draw. Also, we have hemisphere damage. If, for example, in the left hemisphere suffer a damage, the right hemisphere take the place or support it the left hemisphere, and it's called plasticity. The brain may reason function to different areas of the brain. Example, left hemisphere is predisposed to language. And as a conclusion, the language is not completely lateralized. They have specific functions but work together. The most clear example is the use of language. When a specific brain or hemisphere suffers injury, the other side supports it. It's all.